this time of hour? Who could be foolish enough to do that? Well then, whoever's living here must be pretty stupid. Should be an easy picking. Let's see, what do we have here? Some kind of bedroom, I take it. I don't see anyone. Are they not here? Surely they wouldn't leave their home with their window wide open at night, would they? If that's the case, then I'm just wasting my time. I've got other places to be, and maybe better luck. Ugh, I need to find a victim tonight. Otherwise my energy will run out. And that will not be good. No, no, no. Maybe I'll do a bit of search here. I could have hidden somewhere as soon as I landed on the windowsill. It's a nice place. A little messy though. That is a shame. Oh, the closet door isn't fully closed. Look at that. Could a little bunny be in there? Hello? Hey! Let me out. What's the big idea, huh? Got a death wish or something? You think you can keep me in here? I'm a vampire, you know? As soon as I get out of here, you'll be my dinner. As soon as I... This door is quite the obstacle. Fine, you got me. I've been trapped. Now, tell me what you desire, and I will grant it for you. No, I'm not a genie. In exchange for giving you what you want, I must be released. Those are my conditions. You think I'm just gonna fly out of here if you open the door? Ugh, nonsense. Vampires keep their word. Promise. Listen, I'm not in a particularly forgiving mood at the moment. So me giving you this chance is already lucky for you. If I wasn't so hungry, I would have busted down this door. Ugh, I can hardly stand anymore. Human, just give me your blood. No, I won't kill you. Just a little bit so I can stand. If you let me die here of starvation, you'd have trapped me here for nothing. Oh, that also reminds me. I have several questions for you. First of all, why the heck were you trying to trap me like this? And two, why aren't you scared that I'm an actual vampire? Oh, I'll never understand humans. Huh? You'll let me out? Yay! I mean, finally. Wait, you're not gonna pull anything funny, are you? I'm sensing some really suspicious activity from you. Promise? Do humans keep their word? If you say so. I lied! Goodbye, human! That's what you get for trusting a vampire. Ow! What? You closed the window? You sneaky devil. It would appear that humans are just as convincing as well. Bring it on, then. If you think you can defeat me in a fight, you're sorely mistaken. I wasn't lying about my hunger, though. please forgive me. I need you to give me some of your blood. I'll do anything, please. Let me taste you. Yes, anything. You'll do it. Oh, thank goodness. Come over. Just show me your name. Oh, don't be so embarrassed. God. You won't even feel a thing. Okay, now just turn your neck. Wow, that tastes so good. So fresh and sweet. I've never tasted blood this delicious. Human, what's your name? Oh, that's a No, never mind. It sucks. You suck too. I'm a vampire. Why would I ever compliment a human? Ugh, let go of me! I'm leaving. Now that my strength has returned, you're really no match for me. If I wanted to, you'd be dead before you could blink. I'm off, but before I go, can I taste your blood one more time? It tasted rather delicious. I want to have it again. No, I mustn't. But, you'll let me do it again? At what cost? I know you're a sly fox. Spill it. So, let me get this straight. You want me to live here with you in exchange for blood every night? That's ridiculous. Why would I ever agree to that? No, don't go. Your blood. Fine. So annoying. I'll stay here with you, but in exchange, you have to let me taste you every night. No loopholes, no highs. Just fulfill your end of the bargain. Do we have a deal? Good. Oh, and please don't grin like that, it's creeping me out. What the heck did I get myself into?